In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Teams Copilot AI feature. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and ensure your access. Make sure that your organization has a Microsoft 365 Copilot enabled. Then you want to also go ahead and open Microsoft Teams app on your desktop or mobile and sign in. And then you want to simply go ahead and click on the Copilot tab on the bottom of your screen. Then you can simply go ahead and click on the new chat section to start a conversation with Copilot, and you can simply go ahead and start asking it whatever questions or requests that you want in your natural language, something like summarize today's meetings. So let me tell you what you can do with Copilot. You can summarize meetings, unread messages in chats, and the key points from today's updates and so on. You can also find information like finding the latest update on some kind of projects, Q2 budget file, or so on and so forth. You can also draft email to the team, create release notes, and so on and so forth. You can also simply go ahead and ask for the meetings and actions, and you can also compare files with the previous versions and so on. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.